Hello everyone, to make shutdown shortcut, just right click and go to new and shortcut. Here we have to type shutdown space /s space /t again space 0 and click on next, again click on finish. Now this is a shortcut. Let's give one icon. Go to properties, go to shortcut and click on icon, click on OK. Now you will get different icons. Now choose your icon for shutdown and click on OK. Apply, click on OK. Now drag this shortcut key to your taskbar and try single click, and this must shut down your PC on single click.